welcome back to my channel, and I would like to say thank you to all the new subscribers for subscribing. So awesome. Thank you so much. So today we are going to go ahead and do my Christmas 2021 house tour. The weather has not been that great in Central Texas the past couple days, or else I would have posted this a lot sooner. So hopefully today, it's still kind of cloudy outside, so hopefully I can get some good shots of everything during the daytime. But yeah, and then also stay tuned and you'll see everything for my nighttime, how everything looks at nighttime as well. Again, if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ashley and I do everything that involves decorating and cleaning and just everything else. So I am new to YouTube, so definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I definitely look forward to doing more videos in the future. So let's go ahead and get into my 2021 Christmas house tour. So I hope y'all enjoyed watching me decorate these past couple of videos. I hope you really enjoyed the house tour. If you would, leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite part of my decorating was. So whether it was the tree, the coffee bar, the mantle, or the actual, the whole redone hutch. I would like to go ahead and say happy holidays and happy new year to everyone. Go ahead and leave me a like, and if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. I'd greatly appreciate it, and plus it's free, so why not? Thank you so much for watching and commenting and everything. I greatly appreciate it, and until the next one, I'll be seeing ya.